Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by making sure your Apple ID and iCloud are active. This is required so photos can sync. Once signed in, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and plug the phone into power so uploads won't pause. Next, open Settings, tap Photos, and switch on iCloud Photos. That starts synchronization. You do this now because manual transfers are slower and error-prone. Enabling iCloud makes the gallery populate automatically as items upload to Apple's servers. Once iCloud Photos is enabled, you need to confirm there's enough iCloud storage and trigger a backup when necessary. Go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, and manage storage to review photo usage. Upgrade your plan if you're over quota. Then return to iCloud Backup and choose Backup Now to capture the current library state. If your phone is tight on space, enable Optimize iPhone Storage so smaller local files keep showing in Gallery while originals live in iCloud. Finish by confirming the gallery shows your backed up images. Open Photos and browse albums or search to see newly synced thumbnails. If pictures don't appear after waiting, sign out of iCloud, then sign back in or restart the iPhone to force a refresh. Make sure Wi-Fi and power stayed connected during upload. If problems persist, reset network settings or free iCloud storage. Those fixes clear stuck uploads and let the gallery repopulate from iCloud.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.